Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
After verification, it was found that there was grievous head injury to two women and they were found to be dead. Immediately investigation was started and teams were created under both the PIs, Suraj and Tushar, which was supervised by SDPO Gajanan, and we were not able to locate the wife of Julio, and her younger son. So immediately we started searching, and during the search we found the lady Rovina with one person called Surban Rajabali, and we brought both of them for questioning. During questioning they confessed that they had planned the murder of the two women because there was some ongoing family dispute and they had some old issues going on. And we have recovered a koita, and we have also done forensic examination of the spot. Investigation is in the very initial stages,